Montgomery County is dedicated to improving the health of our waterways and forests and protecting public and private infrastructure through the process of stream restoration. When it rains, most of the rainwater flows from paved surfaces into storm drains, like this one along Rudyard Drive, which drains directly into the Grosvenor tributary. Stormwater runoff travels from drains through underground pipes and then arrives at our streams very quickly and in large amounts, which is a major cause of stream erosion. Erosion occurs when water washes away the stream banks and stream bottom. This erosion harms our waterways, causing healthy trees to fall, exposing public infrastructure, like sewer pipes, and damaging private property, such as a backyard in danger of eroding away into a stream. Sediment from erosion is also one of the most prevalent pollutant sources in Montgomery County,
where we have a lot of loose dirt and rock.
I'm Doug Marshall, the project planner with the Montgomery County Department of Environmental Protection. Here we are in a portion of the stream that flows through the Pembroke community, an area where the stream has eroded towards this asphalt path and created an unsafe condition. The project will regrade the stream through here, move it a little bit away from the asphalt path, and create a much safer condition. In some portions of the project area, stream channel erosion has been so severe that it erodes back to the private property lines. In this case here, you can see where the edge of the fence is right above me is the edge of the residential property line. In this case here, the stabilization technique that we'll be using is the installation of an imbricated wall, which is a vertical block wall so that we're not grading the stream banks back onto the residential property. There's areas in the project area where the erosion has exposed utility lines like this sewer line here, which the project will protect. If left alone, the sewer line could be damaged and leak sewage into the stream. In some portions of the project area, the erosion has been so severe that it's actually damaged large storm drain pipes like this one, which the project will reconstruct and stabilize the area around the outfall pipe.
Hi everybody, I'm Dan Eisenberg. I'm one of the aquatic biologists with Montgomery County's Department of Environmental Protection. Right now I'm standing in Grosvenor tributary to Rock Creek, just downstream of Sugarbush Lane. So not only is erosion bad for our infrastructure, it's also bad for potentially causing damage to homes. It's really bad for our wildlife. It often will result in loose soil like this falling into our waterways. And as you can see, we get this type of stuff where we have a lot of loose dirt and rock filling up spaces that should be more like this, where we have a lot of loose space underneath these larger boulders. This space is where most of our fish, bugs, salamanders, frogs, all of those things start to struggle to find habitat and good space to survive. But once we get a lot of this buildup from our erosion entering into the stream, a lot of that space is gone. Over-widening is another big issue that we have with erosion in streams. Over-widening causes the stream to become far shallower than it would be under normal circumstances. When the streams become far shallower, they often warm up, and as they warm up, they're unable to hold on to as much oxygen as they normally would. With a lack of oxygen, just like when we lose oxygen, animals are no longer able to live in that water.
Hi, my name is Andres Ovalle. I'm a certified arborist and a forester with Montgomery County Tree and Forest Program. The stream erosion is not only a water quality issue, it also has significant effect in the surrounding trees and forests. As the soil around the roots is washed away, many trees become unstable and eventually fall into the stream. As we can see over here, this American beech is a very clear example of the critical condition at the Grosvenor stream. The loss of trees will only make the erosion worse because trees and the root system play an important role in stabilizing the soil and also holding the stream bank together. Trees from their crown to the root system will help slow down the stormwater, store it, and reduce the stream erosion. During stream restoration, this disturbance is limited to the greatest extent possible. This includes paying a lot of attention to trees, making an effort to conserve them, especially the large, healthy one like this hickory. During the planning phase of the stream restoration project, we have a very thoughtful and strategic approach to determine the access paths and minimize the impact in the area. Once the access path has been determined, the ground is covered with a thick layer of mulch and pallet to reduce compaction of soil, erosion, and other damage to roots. Planks are also installed on trees to protect trunk from scrapes and bangs. When construction is complete, new trees and other plants are installed to mitigate disturbance. This increases species diversity, reduces establishment of invasive, and improves overall forest health.
Stream restoration stabilizes stream banks, protecting sewer pipes, private property, and trees, and replicates the natural variability of streams by including riffle and pool features to improve stream habitat, ecology, and water quality. Rock and wood structures are used to direct stream flows and protect stream banks. Wood from trees that are dead or dying, or that must be removed to access the stream, is used to build in-stream structures or otherwise kept on site as habitat. The stream bank is graded to adjust the bank angles and dimensions, making the stream less prone to erosion and leading to deeper, cooler streams with more variable habitat. Newly planted trees and other plants will grow to provide a large canopy, understory habitat, and a well-shaded stream. All of this is why DEP is excited for the Grosvenor Tributary Stream Restoration Project. Construction will begin in March 2025, with work in the stream starting in June 2025. The expected completion date is June 2026. Construction will be conducted in segments. Each segment will take 3 to 5 months to complete. Eventually, the area around the stream will start to look green as vegetation begins to return during the next growing season. But it will take time for newly planted trees and other plants to grow, and for you to see a more natural stream. One day, you'll walk along the Grosvenor tributary and see fish swimming in deep water, tall trees shading the stream, and low, sloping stream banks. Now you'll know that these are all signs of a stream coming back to life, the way nature intended. For more information, please contact us. We look forward to speaking with you.